What's up, money growers? So I want to do this video today. This is going to be pretty short and sweet for you guys about reading your credit card statement, or you could say your credit card, all these numbers with your credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union. So I want to go over this because I was on the phone with their customer service the other day, which I'm going to show you guys this in this video. But by the way, like, you can always call them. Like, their reps have always been super helpful with any questions I've had, whether it's credit card related or not. So I'm going to show this to you guys though, so you guys can watch this and you'll know what to look for in the future. Really just the important parts here. So please go ahead and give the video a like. Now, here's your screen that you're going to see when you log into your account for your credit card. So you can see the bottom here. This is the flagship card that I have with Navy Federal. This is the only credit card I have with Navy Federal right now. I'm sure I'll get more later, but this is it. So you look at all this here. You see the current balance is $246, pending transaction of $110. And they have all these other options here, right? You can freeze your card. Here's your credit limit. So mine is $7,100 they gave me on this. Available credits, $4,547.72. So you can see the statement balance here, last one, and then last payment amount. You can see how much it was here, and then the reward points down here. So with this card, it's cool because you get 3 points on travel and 2 points and everything else. So when I first saw this the other day, actually, my current balance was zero, but I had some other larger transactions that were pending. So at first when I saw this, I was like, oh shoot, my billing cycle is going to be ending here pretty soon. And I saw that I had, over $4,500 in available credit. Well, I mean, that's still a good, so what do we have? Over... we have 2,000 plus, 2,500 plus, something like that I had used. So I actually had some payments that were pending, and this number here was actually even lower. But now those payments have cleared. But my current balance was zero. So since then, I've had payments go through and paid some other stuff off. So the current balance right now is 246. Pending transactions 110. The important thing you need to keep in mind, though, when it comes to like the credit bureaus and what they're going to see is only this current balance, because I'll scroll down in a minute and show you guys. Sometimes if you have a transaction, say you pay off a transaction, Navy Federal will hold it up to 5 days if it's coming from a separate bank. So that's what I was doing. My main bank that I've been using is Chase. So I was transferring to pay something off from my Chase bank account. They put a hold on it for up to 5 days. So whatever this current balance is here, this is the amount that's going to get reported to the credit bureau. So if you have, in this case, let's do simple math. Let's say it's been $3,000 and I had, $4,100 available in credit, like $3,000. I mean, that's, you're getting closer to 50% of the limit here. Whatever your balance is, that's the important part. So if you spent $3,000, you paid off $3,000, your balance is zero. That's what the bureaus are going to see. It's down here in this area where you will actually see if you have something you paid that, is pending. So like I said earlier, if they you want to pay something and you transfer the money from another bank to Navy Federal, they can hold it up to 5 days. They usually don't. That's what the rep told me. It's usually not 5 days, but it may be a couple of days, really just as a, just as a protection barrier for you as a customer. But they do, make sure that, your balance is up to date with whatever you have going on. So that's the big thing to remember. If you see something in here, you transfer the money and it's just waiting, then, it's in the system. They know that you're just putting a hold on it. And so sometimes, it just may take a little while to clear. But whatever you're seeing, down here with all this, with balances and the amounts and all this kind of stuff and holds and pending transactions, all that kind of stuff, the important thing is just whatever your balance shows. So if that balance is zero, or if that balance is, just a number that you're okay with, that's what the credit bureau is going to see. You don't have to worry about the pending transactions so much. Your balance is the overall most important thing as far as what the credit bureaus are going to see when Navy Federal reports it.